YouTube, it's me, Paula. Today we're gonna open our Hatchimal Pixies. Hatchimal Pixies. A Halloween spooky. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up. So, we have the Hatchimal Pixies. It's a spooky one. So spooky. And we are gonna open it today. So now I think we are now ready to open it. So let's open it. So we have the, look at that. It's like spooky. Are you ready to see what's inside? I do want to, but I'm waiting now. I want to do it right now. I want to see what's inside right now. So it's like a bag, a blue handle, and there's hearts. Then we have it looks like a lunchbox and an instrument box. It looks like a lunchbox and an instrument box. So let's open it. What's inside? Oh my god! Then we have the Hatchimal eggs and the mini 3 Pixies. Ooh. So I think we are ready to take the dolls out and ready to open the eggs. So let's open them, hatch them. We have 5 in total and 3 pink eggs and 2 purple eggs. So let's take the dolls, the mini dolls out, the pixie ones. Let's open 3 eggs. 3 pink eggs. We need to, oh you got it open. Can I open one of them? It's sparkly gold and she has wings and brown hair. I really want to open one, but oh, we have one that has blue. Let's go open the next. Oh, thank you, Mom. The top opens. Really top. Come on, squeeze. Ooh, we have a pink hair one. She has a yellow dress and white socks first. Purple one. Ooh, She has, the doll has blue dark hair, another gold costume. Let's open the next pink. Not the pink one, but the purple one. Next pink, purple one. She has a blue hat, green hair, wings that are purple, a purple skirt, and a purple shirt, and black shoes. Blue shoes or black. How do you like my set of the mini pixies? They are good! And if you liked these mini pixies, then give me a huge thumbs up and click that subscribe button at the end